Namaste. With the knowledge of levers and linkages, it's time to build something unique and useful. As usual, we will use everyday material for this activity. A thick paper board will be our base on which various movements and scenarios can be tried out. Visuals, characters, as well as guides for the sliders can be cut with the help of this card sheet. Paper straws are lightweight, cheap and sturdy. These straws, flattened with pencil, can act as our links. These links can be connected with simple pins. Push pins come handy while making holes on the harder surfaces. We will bend these pins with the help of this plastic tool. Masking tape will be used to keep things in place, while Fevicol, scissors, ruler will perform their routine functions. To begin with, let us prepare the inputs required for the activity. Cut masking tape into small pieces and use pencil to flatten the straws. Keep bent pins handy as connectors. Based on the need, you can adjust the distance by which pin is bent. In the first activity, connect two straws in the center with a pin and observe the movement. Fix the pin to the straw with masking tape as shown. Once ready, write down two possible actions for this movement. In this second activity, work with your partner and join the movement created in the first activity. We can use just one straw to replace the wheel which is normally used to achieve rotational motion. Cut a small straw around 5 cm in length and punch 2 holes. On one end, use the long straight pin. This long straight pin will act as a handle. It will also help us in adding and removing another link in the mechanism. Fix the other end to the board with a push pin. Push pins come handy when we have to try out various combinations. Use rotational motion as input to the movement built in the first activity. You can change the position of the other end fixed to the board and observe the change in the overall movement. Now let us explore some keywords. With almost linear input, we get a rotational output. The point where straw is fixed to the board is called fixed pivot, while this is a floating pivot, where two straws are connected. As you can see, various configurations are possible just by changing position and distance between pivots. We will use these learnings in building a teaching aid based on linkages. Thank you.